We take for granted that they know how to use computers, they know how to put CVs together, they know how to go for interviews, or how to even phone for an interview. So I think it's just creating opportunities.
The digital literacy rate in South Africa is very low, and so it's very hard to get people to, use devices, make them understand how to, access different functionalities that can create some value for them. So educating also different societies and people and cultures is also something we need to think about.
It's about food security and any other tools, not specifically mental health services.
Maybe there's this kind of a solution for the connected world, and there's a solution for the unconnected world. And just thinking of the connected world, simple things like a WhatsApp group, which are run by influencers, these teens that influence. And that's fairly, I would imagine fairly simple to set up and to push out there, either through Facebook or Twitter or WhatsApp or, whatever platform, all platforms, essentially. And then for the unconnected group, I think, Kerman, what you're saying is true as well. So some kind of hotline where people could call in either. And I think the other thing is, and maybe this is just a personal thing, but I think this the ability to sit down with someone in a group, like an AA anonymous kind of group on a Wednesday afternoon, I think is it builds a community around what is happening.
I think we need to kind of go into communities. I think South Africa is so diverse, and it's so hard to actually change people, So there's a lot to think about in terms of getting access to people who have like mental disorders and then changing them too, It will take some effort, I would think.
So we have a large proportion of youth who experience various mental health issues, but are also homeless, unemployed, dealing with all kinds of stress and mental health, that don't have access to any community mental health services, coping tools or coping skills, and therefore lack opportunities to find a job or to study further or to be valuable contributors to community. So that was kind of the vision statement or the mission statement. And the vision is to kind of create a tool that helps to improve resilience and mental health information and access to virtual services in all languages, since all the youth, are so diverse and coming from various cultures and backgrounds, and really building that community-based psychosocial support, which looks at things like housing, food, education, literacy, all those kinds of things, and develop, strategies for resilience and digital literacy, so that they can find opportunities.